Hi, everyone. My name is Danny Stein, and this is my analysis of episode 3 of Netflix Shark Whisperer called The Social Sharks. The episode, which is directed by James Reed, explores how sharks aren't just aggressive loners, but actually social and intelligent animals. This episode follows marine biologist Chris Fisher as he studies sharks in the wild. It challenges the idea that sharks are scary, violent animals. Instead, this episode shows that they're social creatures that help keep the ocean healthy. Fisher's work helps us see that sharks play an important role in the ecosystem and that they deserve our respect, not fear. The episode really focuses on helping people understand why shark conservation is so important in our world today. The documentary builds trust through the credibility of Chris Fisher. He's a well-known marine biologist, and in this episode, we see him working hands-on with sharks in the ocean. Watching him tag and study these animals show that he really knows what he's talking about. He doesn't just guess or assume, he backs things up with real scientific research. This makes it easier for us as viewers to trust his message and take the issue of shark conservation seriously. Research Research and Fisher and his team used tracking devices and data to study shark behavior. What they found is that sharks often travel in groups, interact with each other, and even cooperate in ways that show they're not just mindless predators. This kind of scientific evidence really adds to the credibility of the episode. It changes how we see sharks and it makes a strong case for us protecting them. One of the most emotional scenes in the episode is when Fisher rescues a shark that got caught in a fishing net. You can tell he really cares, and it made me feel something too. Watching the shark struggle and hearing Fisher's emotional response makes it clear that sharks are very vulnerable and not just dangerous. It helps viewers connect with the animals on a personal level. Fisher also shares personal stories about his experiences with sharks, and you could tell he genuinely respects and loves these animals. Hearing about his time in the field and the moments that made him feel amazed or inspired really helped me see sharks differently. It made me care more, not just because of the science, but because of the emotion behind it. That connection makes the message of the episode even stronger. By combining strong scientific research with personal emotional moments, the episode shows us that sharks are more than just their reputation. We learn to respect them and see why protecting them is important. Chris Fisher's work on storytelling helped us both feel informed and inspired. It reminded me that we all have a role in helping to keep the ocean balanced and protecting species that are often misunderstood. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed.